Amid the heightened attack by Russia on Ukraine, a terrorist attack on the Russian military side in the Belgorod region on Saturday has killed 11 people and left 15 injured. Two citizens from former Soviet state opened fire during training and both were killed in retaliatory fire, the Russian Defense Ministry said in a statement quoted by State-run news. The ministry said in the statement that the shooting took place in the Belgorod region in southwestern Russia that borders Ukraine. Russian officials have branded the attack as an act of terrorism. On October 15th, two citizens of a CIS country committed an act of terror at a training range of the Western Military District in the Belgorod region. The Defense Ministry was quoted as saying, "The CIS, or Commonwealth of Independent States, was formed between republics that were a part of the Soviet Union." The ministry said that the attack had taken place during a training session for volunteers for the special military operation in Ukraine. As a result, 11 people were fatally wounded. Another 15 people suffered injuries of varying gravity and were taken to medical facilities, news agencies said. The shooting comes amid a hasty mobilization ordered by President Vladimir Putin to beef up Russian forces in Ukraine, a move that triggered the protests and caused hundreds of thousands to flee Russia. Putin said on Friday that over 220,000 reservists already had been called up as a part of an effort to recruit 300,000. Russian forces have launched hundreds of missile strikes in Ukraine over the past week. The latest attack by Russia came on Saturday, which damaged an energy facility near Kyiv, prompting fears of blackouts. President Vladimir Putin said that he has no regrets about the missile barrage. He added that there was no need for more massive strikes, at least for now. This attack can be seen as another setback to Russian President Vladimir Putin, who has been suffering humiliating defeats.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.